In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make this two-colored doily. First, you can decide which color you want your edging to be. That's gonna be the first color we use. So I'm using the orange color. That means my doily is gonna have an orange edge. For the hook, I'm using a 3mm one. We're gonna start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain up 46. That's how wide our doily is gonna be. If you want to adjust the size, simply add or subtract 10 stitches. So here's my chain. That's about 9 inches long. Next, chain 3. Into the 5th chain from the hook. Work a double crochet. And 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Then chain 6, skip 6 stitches, into the 7th, a double crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And just repeat. So that's another chain of 6 and 4 double crochets. When you finish the last group of double crochets, you should have 1 stitch left. We're gonna work a double crochet into this stitch, but we're gonna stop here because we're gonna switch to the other color. Finish this stitch and chain 1, turn your work into the 2nd stitch from the hook, a single crochet, then chain 4, skip 4 stitches, into the 1st stitch of the upper chain, a single crochet. Then we're gonna put 4 treble crochets into the lower chain. We're gonna put them into the middle 4 stitches of the lower chain. Now, if I turn my work, what we want to do is work the white color in front of the orange. So I'm gonna hide the orange behind, turn my work back. I'm gonna push the upper chain behind and grab the lower one. Into the 2nd chain, we're gonna place a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert hook, yarn over, and yarn over, pull through 2, do that again and again. So always pull through 2. I'm gonna do that 3 more times to finish the 4 treble crochets. So after that, I'm gonna work a single crochet into the 6th stitch of the upper chain. So now let's take a look. You can see we've hid the orange color pretty well. Next, we're gonna chain 4, skip the 4 double crochets, and straight into the next stitch, which is the first stitch of the upper chain, and do the same as what we just did. So 1 single crochet into the first stitch of the upper chain, 4 treble crochets into the next 4 stitches of the lower chain, and then the last single crochet into the upper chain. Continue doing this. I'm gonna meet you up when you've chained 4. So I've done that. I'm gonna go straight into the chain 3 here, work a single crochet on top of this chain 3, then chain 3, turn your work. Under this chain, we're gonna put 4 double crochets, then chain 6, skip this section here, under the next chain, this space here, 4 double crochets, and chain 6 again, and just repeat. I'll meet you up when you finish the 4 double crochets under this chain. We still have 1 stitch here, so 1 double crochet into this stitch, but we're gonna stop here because we're gonna switch back to color 1. Finish this double crochet, chain 1, and turn into the second chain from the hook, a single crochet, then chain 4, into the 5th stitch, a single crochet, and 4 treble crochets into the next 4 stitches of the lower chain. So there's a single crochet here. We're gonna skip that into the next treble crochet, put a treble crochet on top of that, and do that for the next 3 stitches, and then the last single crochet into the upper chain. I'm close to the end. Chain 4, skip 4 into the last chain 3, a single crochet on top of that, then chain 3, 4 double crochets under this chain, then chain 6, 4 double crochets again, chain 6, and repeat. 1 last double crochet into the last stitch. Don't forget, we're gonna switch color. Every time we come back to this side, we're gonna switch color. Then chain 1. So now let's take a look. The last row we did, which is the 5th row, is actually the same as row 1. So from there, we're just gonna repeat the first 4 rows. Row 1 is orange, double crochet height. Row 2 is white, single crochet height. Row 3, white, double crochet height. And row 4, orange, single crochet height. So I'm gonna work these 4 rows a few more times and show you where I am. So here I am for the double crochet orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 of that and 1 more row of white single crochet height. Then I fastened off here. Next, we're gonna use the orange color to work around the edge. So basically, we're just gonna keep putting single crochets all the way. So how many single crochets on the sides? for the first row, 2 single crochets, and we have a single crochet height row here, so that's 1 single crochet. The next row 3, then 1 for this row, then 2, 1, 3, 1, and 2, 1, 3, 1. Just repeat that. As to the corners, we put 2 single crochets for this row, but because it's at the bottom, so we're gonna work 1 more single crochet, then chain 1, and keep working single crochets in this direction. I'm gonna meet you back here when you finish that. So I've done that. Because of the color difference, this top border doesn't look as strong as the bottom one. So I'm gonna slip stitch here, fasten off, and work 1 more row of single crochet from this side in this direction. Now it looks much stronger, much thicker. It just looks better to me this way. So this is how you crochet this 2-colored doily. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.